Press the safety button and switch together. All right, let's see. Let's get her done, guys. Hey guys. Okay, what's up? It's me, your girl Karter, and I am here at Chateau xoxo land. Okay, so as y'all know, I purchased land, finally closed. This is my second time out here. If you guys didn't see my first vlog, take a look at it. So of course, what I purchased was raw. First, if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button. I know that you guys are watching because you are kind of like-minded or you're interested in doing something like this. Subscribe, follow me, and be on this land ownership journey with me, because this is the first of many acres to come. So make sure y'all hit the subscribe button and stay tuned with your girl. Nevertheless, I purchased raw land, so a lot of it kind of looks like this. Today, I am going to attempt to start breaking this down and getting it for firewood. I'm gonna stack it up over in a fire pile. And yeah, let me show you guys what I am going to use to cut it down. I have this here. I got this off of Amazon. I will drop the link, but this is super cute. Let me show you guys. Let me give you up close, okay? Amazon. This is a seesaw, and it's super cute. This is what we got in here. It's a 6-inch blade. It has gloves. It has glasses, the charger. It comes with 2 batteries. This is what we have. Here's a battery pack here. We're gonna use this one first. And then this is the kit. It has like your oil, a replacement blade, everything you need to do that. So I looked at the reviews and they said this thing works pretty good. So let's see. Okay, this is what it looks like. Got my glasses on, but when you take it off, that's the blade. Pretty cool. Put my gloves on. Here's the battery. So if you slide in like that,
Smells like you want to eat it.
it's a safety thing here. Well, let's see. Press the safety button and switch together. All right, let's see. Let's get her done, guys. Got Mom Dukes down there. Hey.
Yeah, he had bricks on the side of the wall.
Okay. She down there chilling. She got a little coffee.
Coffee is...
Period. Got a little signet. Yeah.
Well, you see why I moved that?
Uh-huh. All right, let's see how this works, guys. You guys can see, so it's breaking down, not old but dead. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. Oh yeah, this lit, y'all. This little thing, it gets it done, okay? Let me show y'all up close. This little thing gets it done. Okay, so I got some done. These, but it was pretty easy too, so I really didn't need to use the chainsaw for too much. But I'm definitely gonna have to use it for these and this one back there, that long one, and break that down. And yeah, this is really super neat, you guys. I'm really excited. This is such an amazing journey and an amazing opportunity. So all right, let me finish getting this together, and then I'm gonna set up the tent because we are gonna camp out here tonight too. So yeah. Back together. That's enough for today. On the chopping.
Like if you wanted to put this from tree to tree and put one of your signs on it?
Nah.
Okay. I'm gonna make a
Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish clearing that out probably tomorrow, but I'm gonna set up my tent right here, and then I am going to hang up some private property signs. Yeah. Stay tuned. such a beautiful day. I'm hot. I'm setting up the tent, but when I put up the tent, I really can't listen to my music, and I gotta vibe out, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna come back when it's all said and done. One of the top rods, so if you guys watch my last vlog or the vlog that I have where I left the tent up overnight because we were coming back, well, for a few days, one of my rods at the top, it kind of like splintered. And so hopefully we can get that together. I bought some duct tape last time, but it's not here. So if all else fails, I am going to duct tape it back up, keep the party going. You know how we do. We're gonna get it together. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna vibe out to some music and I'll be back, okay? I'll show you guys the tent when it's done. All right. Yeah. Hey, y'all, so we've been doing work out here, okay? Just got the fire going right here. We finna cook up some food, of course. We got the tents set up back here, you feel me? And yeah, they're finna go down to the lake and then go down to the creek and see what they can find. But yeah, cleared out a few places. The firewood that I got earlier is kind of dwindling down, but it's so much wood out here, that's not a problem. And look at that fire going. We finna get that food cooking. Y'all, I'm looking crazy. But yeah, I really just wanted the purpose of this vlog today, just to show you guys how I was cutting down that firewood next and how I use that saw. Next is what's gonna be, what I'm gonna end up doing is using that little saw to make trails. I need to make a trail to the lake. I need to make a trail to the stream. We just need trails around here, okay? Anywho, all right, guys. I'll probably be back just to say maybe one or two more things, and that's it. Bye.